Well, the power bank is an external battery which charges your devices, for instance a smartphone. Generally a 10,000 mAh capacity power bank should charge 5,000 mAh 2 times. Right? Guess what? This is a complete misconception. So why the power bank we just bought has a deceiving promise of delivering massive power, but in reality you are not able to charge your device in proportion to the advertised power. Let's demystify this a kind of enigmatic hype of the power bank, and at the same time also look into the Realme 10,000 mAh power bank. I'm going to unbox it first and show you the features packed in this power bank. This box looks yellow. The powerful looks beautiful and stylish too. Let's see. It has got the unique design, the curved edges. It looks beautiful and stylish. The Realme power bank. It is a 10,000 mAh power bank. It is of 18 watt and it has got power delivery feature. That means it can charge devices with bigger battery. And there is low current mode. AI, Internet of Things for low current mode, means it will supply the power intelligently according to the device connected. That is the current flow when you connect a smartwatch, and big smartphone will vary. It has got input and output from the Type-C port, and also you can use same port for charging and your device and charging the power phone itself. It has got the 13 layer of protection. The output is from 2 ports, Type-C and Type-A port. High density battery is used for smaller footprint. Now let's talk about the advertised capacity and actual capacity of this power bank. This power bank is advertised as 10,000 mAh, but there is actually small specs mentioning the rated capacity. You can see the rated capacity. You can pause the video. Rated capacity is what is actually inside the power bank, the physical battery. The lithium polymer battery available today are of 3.7 volt. For a power bank that has 4 3.7 volt 2500 mAh batteries, together that equals 10,000 mAh, and that is true. But wait, the USP is 5 volt. So how do we calculate the actual capacity or rated capacity of a power bank? So here is the equation for that. Actually 5 volt mAh equals to 3.7 into advertised mAh divided by 5. For 10,000 mAh power bank, 3.7 into 10,000 divided by 5 is 7,400 mAh. But wait again. As you use your power bank, the circuit inside that converts 3.7 volt to 5 volt USB uses some energy and also creates heat. During this conversion, you lose some extra mAh. The efficiency of loss varies for different branding, but it is known that Xiaomi has the edge over most brands with only 2% loss in power conversion. But still, the rated capacity is same for all brands. So why companies prefer not to say the rated capacity but advertise the physical capacity? The reasons are obvious. First, it sounds powerful, and secondly, it allows companies to conceal the conversion efficiency of cheap brands. So before you buy a power bank, look for a rated capacity and buy a brand with good power conversion capability. That usually means to look for popular names like Realme as this, and also Xiaomi and other popular brands. Well, that's it for now. A subscription to this would be really appreciated, and if you get some value from this video, give it a like, and thank you for watching.